Welcome to the Featherstone family, guys, and this is our massive squishy collection. So I am going to show you guys one by one all the squishies that we have so far. Let's just get all of this out the way. So let's start with our dumplings. Do our dumplings first. Sorry, guys. Just so many squishies. We're going to do our dumplings first because okay. Well, I think you guys already seen a sneak peek of one of these dumplings. Okay, so the first one is... we actually got a glitter dumpling. And look. Alright, our next squishy, let's get this ball rolling, is a yellow dumpling. I don't know why, I just really love the texture of this dumpling. Next, we have, oh my, another yellow dumpling. I actually just opened up these dumplings and I was really hoping to get another glitter dumpling. I was very excited to get yellow, but not two yellows. And we have a mini dumpling. Somewhere over here we have a mini dumpling. Stuck to all these other squishies. We have a little mini dumpling. And these are all of our dumplings. Next, we have some dupes. We have this Dream Drop dupe. Then we have a cat. Oh, this so hard. Okay. Let's just slowly watch these go back into place. Oh, well, that's already back into place. Good job, Dream Drop. Let's just watch this cat slowly go back into place while I do our next one. So next are the viral soda Needohs. We have the Fanta, we have the Dr. Pepper, we have the Sprite. They're all just this texture of, this is a Needoh Nice Cube. And all they do is put the soda label in front. Obviously, I played with the Pepsi the most because it's already fading away. But I did kind of feel a little bump because the Fanta and Dr. Pepper did not come with the logos on there. They were literally just like Needoh Nice Cubes. And when I tell you guys, these are just like literally just a Nice Cube. Someone just bought the Nice Cubes, put these on there, and charged us the arm and a leg to pay for them. Should I open these ones too? Sure. I really don't want to mess up the box. This is Sprite. And it says Needoh. I feel like the Pepsi one, I play with it so much that it's starting to look a little crusty. Then we have these two. Moving on. Next, we also have this one, but this one is a prize and gift for someone. So I can't open it. They get to get the Starbucks because they love Needohs and they love Starbucks. So of course I had to get it, right? Yeah. Next, This was supposed to be an apple, but Ezekiel took the stem off. And guys, I'm not gonna even lie, this apple is just amazing. Like, I am obsessed with this apple. Now, my favorite squishy is probably the most simplest squishy that I have. I don't know why. So, I don't know if you guys know, but like Needohs are really, really hard. Like, they're really hard to squish. They are so satisfying, but they are pretty hard. Now, once you have squished your ice cube so many times, it doesn't, you get used to it. But this one I got from Shein, and when I tell you, like, I was very impressed. This is so soft. I think it's called like a coconut oil ball. My favorite. Like, literally, I can squeeze this all day long. Next, we have this bracelet. It's lit. This feels just like a Needoh. Like, let me put this on. I feel like I'm just walking around and I get bored and I feel like squishing a Needoh, and I literally could just go like this. I don't feel like squishing it no more, I just leave it alone. Amazing, right? Next, we have a piece of cake. And this came smelling really good. And this smells just like butter. While this one is getting its shape back, we'll do the butter. Let's just say that everybody doesn't like the smell of butter, because Tuda and Mr. Featherstone, they are not big fans of the smell. You guys need to stay tuned because we have a giant butter coming soon. Next is just like, this is just like a, feels like a Needoh. Doesn't have a brand. It's only like $2 on Shein. Honestly, if you can't find a Needoh, you might as well just get one of these. Next are my Tab of Squishies. I don't even want to think about this one, because this one was not supposed to be a Tab of Squishy. I just literally got scammed. And they had the nerve to put Needoh on here. You're wrong. You scammed me on a TikTok shop, and God is going to come for you. You told me it was real, and it wasn't. And you put it in this janky box, and you were wrong. Now, this little Tab is squishy. And for some reason, I still like it. I don't know why. I like the little sticky squishies, but I just really wanted the real one. So this one really sucks for me. Like, but this little cutie came out the TikTok shop, and I was so happy with it. So that's all of my squishies. Now we have a whole bunch more squishies coming soon, so you guys need to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Comment on this video which one was your favorite squish. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.